Welcome to Voice Vocabulary. Today, we will learn how to improve your English writing skills, starting from simple paragraphs to complete essays. Writing is a powerful way to express your ideas, thoughts, and knowledge. To write well in English, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent and practice every day. Let's start with the basics of paragraph writing. A paragraph is a group of sentences that talk about one main idea. To write a clear paragraph, first think about the topic you want to write about. Then, write one sentence that introduces the topic. This is called the topic sentence. Next, write a few sentences that explain or support the topic. Finally, add one sentence to close the paragraph. This is your concluding sentence. Here's an example of a simple paragraph. My favorite season is winter. The air is cool and the skies are blue. I enjoy drinking hot tea and wearing warm clothes. Winter is peaceful and calm. That's why I love this season the most. Now let's move on to making your writing better. One way to improve is by learning to write clear and connected sentences. Use simple connectors like and, but, because, and so to link your ideas. For example, you can say, I love reading books because they help me relax. Always focus on one idea in one paragraph. Do not mix many topics in one place, or the reader will get confused. Use correct punctuation, such as commas and full stops, to make your writing easy to read. Read your paragraph out loud after writing. If you hear something that sounds wrong or unclear, try to fix it. Reading aloud helps you catch mistakes and improve your grammar. Now let's talk about moving from paragraphs to essays. An essay is a longer piece of writing made of many paragraphs. A good essay has three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. In the introduction, you write about the topic and tell the reader what you will discuss. The body includes 2 or 3 paragraphs that explain your main points. Each paragraph in the body should talk about one idea, just like we learned earlier. In the conclusion, you summarize your points and end with a strong final thought. Here's a simple essay outline. First, introduction. Many people want to learn English. In this essay, I will explain why English is important and how it can help in daily life. Then second, body paragraph 1. English is spoken all over the world. It helps people communicate when they travel, work, or study in other countries. Then third, body paragraph 2. Knowing English opens up new job opportunities. Many companies prefer workers who can speak and write in English. Then, at the last, conclusion. English is useful for communication and career growth. Everyone should try to learn and practice it every day. To write a good essay, first plan what you want to say. Make a short list of points before you begin. Think of real examples or simple facts to support your points. Don't use very hard words. Use easy and clear words that you understand. It's better to be clear than to try to sound smart. Check your grammar, spelling, and sentence structure after writing. You can use tools like Grammarly or ask someone to check your work. Rewriting and editing is part of becoming a better writer. Read English articles, blogs, or news daily to improve your vocabulary and writing style. Try to write one short paragraph every day. With time, you can slowly start writing essays on topics like my hobby, the internet, or my dream job. Keep a journal where you write about your day in English. It's a great way to practice without pressure. You don't have to show it to anyone, just write freely and honestly. You can also try writing letters, messages, or even social media posts in English. This will help you practice writing with a real purpose. Writing regularly builds confidence and reduces fear. Sometimes, copy short texts or paragraphs from books or websites. This will help you learn sentence structure, punctuation, and writing flow. Then, try writing the same thing in your own words. Practice is the key to success in writing. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't worry about being perfect. Focus on progress, not perfection. Believe in yourself and keep writing. Every word you write brings you one step closer to fluency. Your writing will improve day by day, just like your speaking. From short paragraphs to full essays, the journey starts with one sentence. Write that sentence today, and don't stop. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Thank you for watching Voice Vocabulary. Repeat this video, and watch it again and again to remember everything better. Keep learning, keep writing, and keep growing. See you in the next video.